All rise. Vive la paix. The International Criminal Court is now in session. L'audience de la Cour pénale internationale est ouverte. Please be seated. Veuillez vous asseoir.
Good morning. Would the court officer please call the case?
Good morning, Mr. President and your honors. Situation in the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. Situation reference ICC 0217. And for the record, we are in open session.
Thank you very much. My name is Piotr Hofmański, and I am the presiding judge in the appeal of the prosecutor against the decision of the Pretrial Chamber 2 of 12 April 2019 on the authorization of an investigation into the situation in the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan. The other judges of the Appeals Chamber on this appeal are Judge Howard Morrison, Judge Luz del Carmen Ibanez Carranza, Judge Salome Balongi Bossa, and Judge Kimberly Prost. May I ask the parties and participants to please introduce themselves for the record, starting with the Office of the Prosecutor who appeals we are deciding today.
Good morning, Your Honors. My name is Fabrizio Guariglia. I'm Director of Prosecutions. Appearing with me today are Ms. Helen Brady, Senior Appeals Counsel, Mr. Matteo Costi, Appeals Counsel, Mr. Matt Cross, Appeals Counsel, and Mr. Manoj Sachdeva, Trial Lawyer.
Thank you very much, Mr. Yeah. And then I would ask a legal representative of the government of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan.
Good morning, Mr. President, Your Honours. Rodney Dixon, counsel for the government of Afghanistan, instructed by and with His Excellency Mohammad Azizi, the ambassador for the government of Afghanistan in The Hague, and Sanya Siddiqui, and assisted by Aidan Ellis and Anne Connaught.
Thank you very much. And legal representatives for victims, we have the LRV 1 and 2 in the courtroom.
Good morning, Your Honours. My name is Nada Kiswanson van Hooydonk, and I represent 82 Afghan victims on behalf of LRV 1.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honors. Catherine Gallagher from the Center for Constitutional Rights in New York, representing Sharkawi Al-Haj and Khalid El-Duran, two victims who remain detained in Guantanamo without charge. And on behalf of the legal representatives for Mr. El-Assad, Mr. Rabbani, Mr. El-Nashiri, and two others, I convey their regrets that they cannot be here in court today.
Thank you very much. I would like to ask the legal representative of victims OPCV, please.
Good morning, Mr. President, Your Honours. The office is appearing today representing the general interest of the victims in the situation. My name is Paulina Massidda, Principal Counsel. I'm accompanied today by Ms. Sara Pellè, Counsel, and Ms. Anna Bonini, Legal Officer.
Thank you very much. And last but not least, Amici Courier, OPCD.
Bonjour, Monsieur le Président. Good morning, Your Honour, Your Excellencies. For the OPCD, I'm accompanied today by Madame Marie O'Leary, Counsel, Michael Hertz, Associate Counsel, and I am myself, Xavier Jean Cater, Lead Counsel. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Cater, says the presiding judge.
I shall now summarize the Appeals Chamber's judgment on the prosecutor's appeal. This summary is not a part of a written judgment, which is the only authentic account of the Appeal Chamber's ruling and reasons. The written judgment will be made available at the conclusion of this hearing. By way of introduction and procedural background, the Appeals Chamber notes that pursuant to Article 15 of the statute, the prosecutor may initiate an investigation proprio motu without having received a referral from a state party to the Rome Statute or the Security Council of the United Nations. However, in such a case, the investigation must be authorized by a pretrial chamber before the prosecutor can proceed. On 20th November 2017, the prosecutor filed a request for authorization of an investigation into crimes allegedly committed in the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan and after Afghanistan since 1st of May 2003, as well as related crimes allegedly committed in other state parties since 1st July 2002. The request involved crimes allegedly committed by, firstly, the Taliban and affiliated groups of crimes against humanity and war crimes, the Afghan National Security Forces for war crimes, and the Armed Forces of the United States of America and its Central Intelligence Agency, the CIA, for war crimes. On 12 April 2019, the pretrial chamber 2 rejected the prosecutor's request and decided not to authorize an investigation into the situation in Afghanistan on the basis that an investigation would not serve into the situation in Afghanistan would not serve the interest of justice. End quote. On appeal, the prosecutor raises 2 grounds, namely the pretrial chamber erred in the initiation of an investigation into its discretion